Okay, class, today you are actually going to start on our resume and interview unit. So what that means is you are going to start by working on a resume. Now, if you already have a resume or you did one in High School 101 or in some middle school class, good, but we're doing it a different way. So with that in mind, the substitute for today actually will give you the functional resume, which is an outline of the way I want you to make your resume. So I say all that to say when you're working on your resume today, please follow this format. But there's going to be two different ones to choose from. The majority of you, I repeat, the majority of you will use the functional resume. Why, Mr. Hamilton? Why? Good question. You're using the functional resume because it outlines skills rather than job experience, because most of you at this point haven't actually had a paid job, maybe some experience babysitting or mowing grass or things like that, and that's fine. We'll talk about how to do that in a second. But most of you are going to need a function from the functional resume based upon skills, and you'll see that in your outline as well that you'll be given today. So under the functional resume, it focuses on skills. You need to have 3 of them. 3 things that you can tell me that you're good at. You'll see it on the outline example. The outline says marketing, planning, and computers, right? Yours could be computers or technology. You could talk about leadership. One of your skills could be hard work. One of your skills could be discipline. Literally, you can go online and Google job skills. Communication, right? Whatever. From there, you're going to give at least a minimum of 2 examples, and you'll see that on the sheet, of that type of skill in practice, right? So I might say communication, my first bullet point. I have taken a speech communication class. You cannot use that, that will not count. Flip side of that, you can put communication. I've given several presentations in front of my church. Give me an example that's relevant to you to show me that skill, right? So the way this works is you need your name, it'll have some contact information. Under objective, put for a job that you might actually apply for. This one says marketing assistant, whatever you want. Summary of qualifications is 3 reasons why you would be good at that job. Just give me 3 reasons. Why might you be good at babysitter? Because I'm responsible, because I have younger siblings, I've done this several times before, whatever. 3 reasons why you're, good for this. Education, you'll put John Guyer High School. Your graduation date is May of 2018. Denton High School, blah, blah, blah. You'll see that on there. Then you go to skills, and then the last part is work history. If you've actually had a job, you would put that there and just follow that format. So, I want you all using the functional resume. If you've had a job before, you're going to beef up the work history part and make it look a little better. So, if you have one of the handouts that says chronological resume, ignore that. You need the one that says the functional resume. The resumes are due at the end of class. Handwritten, neat, concise, and for a grade. Make sure you give them to the substitute. When I come back, we're going to work on interview skills and do mock interviews, and then it'll be time for your final and you're done. Please be good to the substitute and remember that this is due at the end of class. Have a good class.